Hi, I am Dr. Sam at Bahan Natural Health Center. I wanted to talk to you today about a machine, a tool that I have been running in my office for many years, and something I'm going to be implementing now with current patients and all my new patients. It's called the Heart Sound Recorder. And why the Heart Sound Recorder is so important, it is looking at the rate, rhythm, and tone of the heart. And why this is so important is because that a lot of us have heard of an EKG. An EKG is kind of looking at what has already happened to the heart. Is the heart even running? What that nerve conduction looks like. The heart sound recorder is looking at the quality of how it's running. What is the quality of how that car is running? Is it running boom, boom, kind of slow, kind of crappy, or is it beautiful and smooth and something that is well oiled and going to be taking you 90 plus years in this life? So the rate is how fast the heart is moving. The rhythm is the quality of the movement, and the tone is the strength of the heart. So I'm looking forward to using this tool a lot more in the office in the upcoming year. And if you have questions about new qualities and opportunities we're going to have for the Heart Sound Recorder, please call the office.